Friends, the second part of this section 17, we are learning. As managers, you have a lot of duties, what we have detailed earlier. Whatever we have done earlier, we will recap some important points. We told that section 17 about is appointment of managers. Owner or agent will appoint manager. The owner or agent also can be manager if they have sufficient qualification. Basic instructions are to be given by mines manager unless in emergency. One similar question I have given in the bits also. Mines manager is not responsible for canteen creation, pit head baths, and appointment of person is not defense. This I have earlier clarified to you. Now in part 2, the manager's appointment variance is permitted. What does it mean? Like we told that a manager should have this qualification, that qualification, and we told you cannot appoint another manager unless he has this certain type of qualities. But the variance is permitted with the prior permission of chief inspector or regional inspector. Now, reduction of production, what to do? This is very important point to note. आप समझ जाइए, आपके पास कुछ ऐसे प्रोडक्शन है जिसके लिए you have to appoint a first class manager. Imagine that you have some production which as per regulations you need to appoint a first class manager, okay? But due to some reasons, due to some mine planning or your boss's decision, the production has come down in such a way that only a second class manager or a foreman also is sufficient. But what law says is, you cannot immediately remove that manager and put a lower cadre manager without the permission of the regional inspector or the chief inspector after giving a notice in writing. You cannot simply say, sir, मेरा प्रोडक्शन कम हो गया, मैं पहले ज़्यादा प्रोडक्शन में था इसलिए फर्स्ट क्लास लगा दिया, अभी इस साल से तो कम हो जाएगा इसलिए मैं छोटा मैनेजर को रख रहा हूँ, इतनी सैलरी मैं दे नहीं पा रहा हूँ, आई एम अनएबल टू गिव दैट मच सैलरी, आई विल पुट ए लोअर मैन. No, you cannot do that. You will have to take permission and for the reduction of production and other things. If coal mining people remember, this is if coal mining people are listening, if you remember in ventilation, the gasiness, degree of gasiness of the mine is there. Depending on the percentage of gas in the air or per cubic meter whatever gas it releases, you decide upon the degree, right? Hello? Correct? Now, if degree 3 is the maximum gasiness, due to some reason, you find that in some previous 10 months or 12 months, the degree has come down to degree 2 or degree 1. You cannot declare suddenly, sir, my mine has come to degree 1, so I will not take these precautions. No, that you cannot do without the permission. It is more or less a similar condition. Because the production is less, you cannot simply say, sir, my production is less, I want to put a small manager. No, you cannot do that. Okay? Now, can be manager for only one mine unless permitted. What does it mean? This question many people ask. You have to be manager for only one mine, but if under the same management, there are more than one mine, not on one more mine you can be a manager. That too provided there is a distance restriction, and who are the subordinates in the other mine, that is the restriction, and whether you can fulfill the duties of both the mines is one more restriction. Based on that, with prior permission, you can be mines manager for 2 mines, that too for a limited period, unless renewed. I think it is 12 months. That point will come afterwards, but presently you cannot be manager for more than one mine. Now, above permission can be withdrawn in case they find that you are unable to perform duty. Now comes important point. If manager is absent due to bad health beyond his control, owner agent can authorize one more manager, but not more than 30 days. Because you cannot declare, sir, my manager is sick, for one more year I want to put this man as a mines manager. No, you cannot do that. So it should not be more than 30 days unless again renewed. You cannot dismiss a manager, you cannot transfer him unless he is duly replaced by suitably qualified manager. A lower qualified manager can replace a regular manager only if manager is ill and beyond his control. आप समझ जाइए, अपने बीमारी आपके हाथ में नहीं है. हो सकता है आपको ऐसा कुछ बीमारी आए where you need to be in hospital for more than a month. In big mines there is no problem. बड़े बड़े माइन में एक नहीं तो 4 फर्स्ट क्लास मैनेजर रहते हैं. You can always nominate. In smaller mines you cannot get a first class manager readily available. In such cases your lower level manager, rather a lowerly qualified person, can occupy the manager's position. Above permissions are not more than for 60 days. आप जिंदगी भर के बीमारी के लिए ले नहीं सकते. Next point is the house must be within 5 kilometers. You have to, owner or agent should provide a house for residence. Then the manager should reside in that, not that he will keep it as a outhouse or guest house. He has to reside in that. And whenever a manager leaves, a charge report has to be given. What does it mean by charge report? For example, you have got a mine in which lot of works are going on. हो सकता कुछ रोड का काम चल रहा है सेफ्टी के लिए, हो सकता कुछ सेफ्टी वीक का अरेंजमेंट चल रहा है, हो सकता है इन योर ओपन कास्ट माइन सम बेंचेस दे आर डेंजरस and some registers you have filled up, some notices you are supposed to give pending. All these things you have to give in writing. There is a format for it. So that format long back, some 15-20 years back, that format has been given in charge report. You can search the circulars. Now the charge report has to be given by the manager. What are the important duties? There are a lot of duties. Inspection is one, and one of such inspection shall be done in night shift if night shifts are running. At least more than 3 or 4 days he should visit all the workings. If it is underground, 4 days. And once in fortnight you have to go in at least one night shift. Then material requisition. What does it mean? For the purpose of safety, you need some material. Like if it is underground, you may need some cogs, maybe steel props or any such thing. You cannot go to market and buy. And additionally, your owner or agent, you have to inform him that you need so and so material, and it is the duty of the owner or agent that within 3 days he should give you the position. What is the position? Like I have ordered, it is likely to come within 4 days, or all these things he is supposed to give, and it should be entered in a book. मैनेजर कैन डेलीगेट सिग्नेचर अथॉरिटी. लाइक मैनेजर साहब ने बहुत सारी किताबों को साइन करना पड़ता, वो जिंदगी भर के लिए ही विल बिकम ओनली ए सिग्नेचर मैनेजर. टू अवॉइड दिस, सम फॉर्म्स एंड रजिस्टर्स ऑन हिज बिहाफ assistant managers can sign provided he authorizes them. But there are some registers where only mines manager has to sign. Such things the mines manager has to sign. He should inquire into any accident, prepare plan, photograph that area, send within 15 days to regional inspector. Friends, one more point I forgot here. I don't know whether I told it in the last time or not. A manager cannot be given a duty which forces him to be absent from the mine for a long time. You cannot call a manager as a owner. Let us say you are a owner, आप एक ओनर है माइंस का, आप वो मैनेजर को बुला के, भैया आप थोड़ा जबलपुर, रायपुर, एसबपुर जाके प्लीज़ गो देयर एंड फाइंड आउट व्हाट इज़ आवर बिजनेस प्रॉस्पेक्ट. अपना बिजनेस अच्छा चलता है क्या, उधर पता करके आ जाओ, ले जाओ ये 1 लाख रुपया ले जाओ, and you go on tour for 2 months and then find out and come back. No, you cannot give that duty. You cannot give a duty to mines manager which makes him absent for longer period, frequently. और एक टाइप ऑफ ओनर रहे, और 1 or 2 days that manager will be in the mine. तीसरा दिन बोलेगा भाई थोड़ा हैदराबाद जाके वो फॉर्म्स ला लेना, नहीं तो भाई आप चेन्नई जाके यू प्लीज गो एंड मीट दैट ओनर अगेन फॉर 2 days ही विल बी इन माइन. 2 दिन माइन में रहेगा. तीसरा दिन बोलेगा भाई जबलपुर में अपने माल खरीदने के लिए कोई ओनर साहब आया, मैं तो जा नहीं पा रहा हूँ, आप जाइए. दिस इज कॉल्ड एज फ्रीक्वेंट ऑब्सेंट. पहले जो भी बताया दैट इज ए लॉन्ग ऑब्सेंस. This is frequent occurrence. So both these things should be avoided for a part of manager. Okay, this is very important. One point I don't know, I told in last time or I don't know. Friends, I think these are small videos, but what I am finding, many of you are not listening to videos, only going through examination paper. Probably, I don't know how many of you are reading, but it is of no use. Once examination is declared, you will suffer. Please do not do that mistake. Why I have given the time for you short videos for 10 minutes 15 minutes is because you can listen and read. 10 मिनट आपके पास समय नहीं मिलने से जिंदगी भर के डिसीजन फर्स्ट क्लास सेकंड क्लास आप क्या लेंगे? हाँ? आप पढ़िए, इतना मेहनत करके आप लोगों के लिए बना रहा हूँ. आप नोट्स पढ़िए, एक 20-25 मिनट आपके फैमिली मदर या वाइफ चिल्ड्रन के रिक्वेस्ट करिए, आपको छोड़ देंगे एक आधा घंटा. आप पढ़िए, किताब में लिखिए. And some lectures I have told I am going to give in Hindi also. Some important lectures, especially coal underground. And very shortly we are also releasing lectures on coal. Hope you enjoyed this. Please subscribe to the channel. That will help you and help me also. Thank you very much.